All right, here we go. This is going to be a PC box for Southpaw 4600, 2015 Bowman Football. Good luck, buddy. Who are you hoping to hit out of this? It is Duke Johnson. Sean Mannion is your first auto. Sean Mannion. Looking for a Jay Winston, huh? Jordy Nelson. Sean Mannion's not bad. Todd Gurley. Dominic Brown. Brandon Cooks to 99. Amir Abdullah. That's Josh Harper. Amir Abdullah. Nice. 19 out of 99. Pretty nice box. Landon Collins and Cameron Artis-Payne. It's a Le'Veon Bell die cut. And base. Gurley man as a taunt? I don't know. Probably just beat people up. Call me a Gurley man. Andre Johnson is your die cut. Not die cut, jersey card. This little guy is Amari Cooper. Cody Fajardo. It's $2.99. Nelson Agholor. What a box. Nice. I don't know. Jimmy Mahan did the other one. So I can't remember what he got. Jamal Charles, die cut. John Brown, red, 25. 10 out of 25. Gonna go one more? Cool. Dress Anderson and Melvin Gordon. J.J. Watt. Awesome. I'll just keep going then. Mini auto of Ogawa. Cedric Ogbueha from Texas A&M. All right. So your first box, you got that guy, Nelson Agholor, Amir Abdullah, Sean Mannion, Andre Johnson, a red, John Brown to 25, Jordy Nelson to 99, and a die cut, Brandon Cooks to 99. Not bad for one box. Gonna go a second round here. Let's leave these guys up for you. Do you know which one you want this time? The last box, this one? You want it first and last. Double check real quick for you. Did you go through the store or through... No, you just want PayPal on that one, right? Yeah, take it out of the store, that's why. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Yep. Okay, cool. Thank you, thank you. Got it. Round 2 for Southpaw. Good luck, buddy. First auto is Brandon Sheriff, Redskins, Iowa lineman, TJ Yeldon mini. Got a blue Joik Bell /99. Brandon Sheriff's supposed to be really good. Jalen Strong mini, Randy Gregory, Senquist Golston, and die cut of Kaepernick. Got a gold auto. Nice. There's Landon Collins. Shane Ray, 14 out of 75. Gold. He hangs out with Rizzo. Joxie loves Joik though. EFO, Eric Kendricks blue /499, Jarvis Landry die cut. Mini was Jeremy Langford. You got a Trey Waynes ice and a Kendall Wright relic. Cards flying all over the place. Eric Flowers mini, Kikaha, and Jeremy Langford. David Cobb and Eric Flowers. Eric Flowers. It's your third auto. So you got one auto left. 3 packs. Mini is Jesse James. Die cut is Aaron Rodgers. Titus Davis, Justin Hardy, Ben Koyak, and Blake Bortles ice. Terrence McGee. Terrence McGee. And there you go. That's it. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.